Okay, today is June 29th. It's around, I don't know, like 4:17 p.m. Yesterday was my birthday, and this is the only thing I ever got yesterday for my birthday, 29th birthday. And this is the Slimer edition of Ghostbusters, the video game, for the, well, now the Xbox 360, but yesterday I think my mom flubbed or something inadvertently, and she accidentally bought the evil version. Ooh, evil. 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 Sony is so screwed. They lost about $1.3 billion, so, you know, they're screwed, but, yeah, well, beside the point. So, just today, a couple hours ago, I went to my GameStop, or Game Crazy, whatever it's been renamed as, and I traded in for the 360 version. But for those wondering what the Slimer edition holds, well, here's a deluxe repackaging or reenactment here. I haven't really opened it up yet, so it's basically brand new. Let's see what I can get here, and we'll see what's up. Here's what seems to be its contents right here. I hate adjusting these things. Okay. Here is the car, or keychain car, whatever it is. Ghostbusters Ecto-1 sound keychain. Back. Who are you gonna call? Sounds keychain. That's how it is. Yay. Here's the Ghostbusters Certificate of Authenticity. Limited to 6,500 pieces, so I'm one of the lucky ones right there. It's just blank. Here's some sort of, I don't know what the heck it is, but some kind of, I don't know, subscription. I don't know what it is, an advertisement. Here's the exterior of it. Here's the interior, whatever that means. Coming fall 2009. I don't know what it is, but it has Slimer on it. Why don't we make a Slimer game? And here's, I don't know what the heck it is, but I'm not sure if it's a skin or a sticker or whatever it is, but I'm not too certain it's for either Xbox or PS Twiple, as Chad Woolnate called it, but it kind of seems that every one of these Slimer editions seem to carry on both 360, PS3, Wii, PS2, whatever. And of course, here's the coup de grace. It did not come in the box, it's a different one, but it was anyway. The back of it, I'll open it later. But here is the main thing, the main daddy. Hope I could just zoom in just a little bit, if you can catch it. Okay. This is why I call it Slimer Edition, because it's Slimer. There's Slimer here in all his nice green glory. The front, the back, even give him a buttocks. How nice of him. Ah. And here is the stand of it. It's doubled, displayed, so turn around, there it is. So we'll just better get in there, you jerk. There it goes, like that. And here is what it will be. snaps like that, and you get to just turn it around. That's a great display, and that's how it is. Now for the game. It's all about the games. It's about the games. So let's all wrap this up for the first time and see what we got here. Hope I'm getting this. I don't have a director on me. Better keep it zoomed in. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, how nice. And this green cover just completely matches it. Oh, God, I hate these things. Here's what the disc looks like in the instruction manual. Get more now! Register today! Because we want you to! And here's what all the contents is now. Ooh, didn't see that one. Little tear here. Anyways, well, that's all the controls, and why the heck they have all this crap in black and white, I really have no idea. But Sega usually has the same problem with their Sonic titles. It's always in black and white. Jeez. Well, other than that, rounding it out, here, I don't know why I keep these, I'm a complete retard for keeping these stickers, but I'm a souvenir freak, so there you go. Well, that's basically all you have in the set. All in all, it looks like a pretty cool set here. It's wow, looks like a pretty cool just standing there. Well, anyways, I'm pretty sure Ghostbusters would be a very good game. I have yet to play it, and I will say it's probably one of the most anticipated titles of the year, following closely by Batman Arkham Asylum. Everybody's been wondering for a good Ghostbusters game, and if you're a big fan of the Angry Video Game Nerd, you know why. So, just hoping for a great experience, and I'll see you on multiplayer, maybe.